What the fuck? We have been getting our livers fried by this drink for years, yet no one is talking about this. Just watch.
There's a drink that's more dangerous for your liver than soda, beer, and wine combined. Yet millions of people still drink it every day. If you're one of them, it's not your fault, because you were manipulated into thinking it's harmless. These drinks are made in chemical factories, loaded with high fructose corn syrup, the worst synthetic sugar for your liver. Your body treats it like a poison, breaking it down into fat and inflammation. On top of that, they're packed with caffeine that spikes liver enzymes, forcing your liver to work overtime just to detoxify. And if that wasn't enough, preservatives like sodium benzoate can even turn into benzene, a known toxin. This toxic cocktail is hiding in many energy drinks, and a lot of people don't realize how much stress these put on the liver, or how hard it is for your system to repair itself once the damage begins. And don't be fooled by the healthy B vitamins they throw in. These drinks only trick your body into thinking it has energy, while actually draining you from the inside. That's why I always recommend one natural remedy that has been used for centuries: apple cider vinegar. It's an ancient superfood with powerful benefits. It improves digestion, reduces bloating, burns belly fat, makes your skin look healthier, and even helps your liver handle stress more naturally. But here's the problem. Drinking raw apple cider vinegar every day is horrible. It tastes awful and can damage your teeth. That's why I recommend something better. Remy de Bloat gummies. They take the power of apple cider vinegar and combine it with botanicals like dandelion and green tea. Together, they not only flatten bloating and speed up digestion, but also naturally support your liver, boost metabolism, aid detox, and restore balance in your body. Plus, they actually taste good, so you'll stick with them long enough to see real results. People love how they feel after taking them. The reviews speak for themselves. The only issue is, they keep selling out. So if you want to try them, you can find Remy de Bloat gummies on Amazon. And to make it easier, I also put the link in my bio. But grab them now, because once you scroll, they're usually gone. And if you want more daily health and wellness tips, to feel younger and more energized, comment wellness, and I'll personally DM you the invite to my private newsletter.